Hi, I'm Dwight Lewis, and I'm an orthopedic patient at Robert Wood Johnson University Hospital in Hamilton. I was a candidate for a total knee replacement. I had that total knee replacement surgery. Next thing I know, I'm in recovery. Unbelievable. Like about 45 minutes, less than an hour. The surgery's done, and that afternoon, came in, got me up, and I took a walker and I walked around the corridors a month and a day after surgery. Gently, very gently, didn't go far, but I was riding my bicycle. By January, I was on Cozumel, riding around the island. Last year, 4,700 miles of cycling. The care was superb.